Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and another episode of Under 30 Minutes. Hi, today we're going to teach you how to cook 3-cup squid. Yes, you heard me right, it's 3-cup squid and not 3-cup chicken, which is commonly known to many of us here. But what is important is in this 3-cup squid is the 3 cups ingredient here. There is Chinese wine, the dark and light sauce, and also the sesame oil. So before we start, I think we can begin by cutting the chili. I know many of us do not like to cut chili because it actually gives us a burning sensation after that, because all the seeds and so on. So what you want to do to avoid all this is by rubbing your hands with salt, and that will keep the burning sensation away. You remove as much seed as possible because it's going to be very hot and spicy if you keep too many seeds. Next we smash the garlic lightly so that when you cook it gives out the aroma. Okay, now the ginger, this has been peeled. So what you do is you slice thinly. Okay. These are basil. And basil smells really good. But some might not like it, like my children, they do not really fancy this. So you just take up some of this for later use. Just pluck them out from the stand. Okay, now we are ready to cook the dish. We heat up this clay pot. Next we pour in the sesame oil. Make sure it's really hot. Let the oil heat up first. Then we put in the ginger. Next, the garlic. Then the chili. Okay, you actually cut the squid into rings like this, about 1 centimeter. Okay, it's very fragrant now. So what you do is you put in the squid. Next you pour in the soya. And the wine. And some sugar. And you mix well. Okay. Keep stirring. Here is almost done. Okay, just cover for a few minutes to let it cook through. Next, I have here is the thickening sauce for the squid dish. This is like corn flour and water. So later we'll mix it in. Okay, lastly we add in the basil. There you go, you're done with the dish.
Thank you for watching this episode of Under 30 Minutes. If you want the full recipe, it is on our website, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to stay tuned for our next few episodes. Bye!